Hello friends, first of all welcome to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. Friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and very beautiful at the same time, because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful, unique and a wide variety of design ideas that how you can design your whole embroidery pattern with the help of very simple, very decent, very elegant and very easy embroidery stitch. Yes friends, you have heard it right. You can make these whole embroidery patterns with the help of only one outlining type stitch. That is, different names have been used for this embroidery pattern: chain stitch, stem stitch, satin stitch, forward stitch, mini stitch, or a line stitch. These are the different embroidery stitches or different name patterns that are mostly termed for one embroidery stitch, that is basically used for outlining any type of embroidery thing or the whole embroidery pattern. Now you will be discussing, or you would be guessing, or you will having a question raised in your mind that why we are discussing this very simple, delicate and very easiest stitch. Then the answer to this question is, if you want to design some sort of embroidery stitch that contains some delicacy and at the same time that is being made by requiring very less amount of time, very less effort, then friends, you can simply go for this very decent and elegant design ideas with the very beautiful and free hand embroidery patterns have been given to you. The whole collection is a different merger of pets embroidery like rabbits, some sort of very beautiful and artistic patterns that are being used for making 3D embroidery patterns for massively heavy embroidery patterns, but those embroidery patterns are being simplified by simply outlining by using stem stitch, chain stitch or forward stitch. I am naming all of these embroidery stitches to give you a more broader perspective that you can use any of these stitches for making these very beautiful embroidery patterns. It totally depends upon you, and in this way you can get a wide option of choice, and the concept of the whole pattern goes broader and broader. So now we will discuss about the most important thing, that where you can make these patterns. You can make these patterns for a wide variety of dimensions in a wide variety of domains as well. Like for designing accessories, you can make these very beautiful and funky patterns onto your mobile cases, onto your glasses covers, onto your handbags, vanity bags, makeup bags, cosmetic bags, onto your pouch, clutches, or any type of a laptop bag or any type of grocery bag, or any sort of bag that you have that is made up of fabric material. And next, you can also design your denim fabric made stuff like denim jackets, jeans, denim shirts and different types of women's shirts, t-shirts, and even you can enhance the beauty of your handmade, handcrafted, hand knitted crochet stuff with these very beautiful and simple, easy to make patterns. And one more important thing, the main perspective and the highlighting importance of these patterns is that you can design your face masks with these very beautiful, simple and easy patterns to give yourself a more stylish, funky and trendy look. And friends, not only this, you can get a wide perspective of how you can design your very beautiful and simple and easy to make, mesmerizingly eye-catchy hand embroidery patterns by requiring a very less amount of time within a less effort, and you can create very beautiful creative designs. I hope that I have tried my levels best to persuade you to kindly go for outline stitch, chain stitch or stem stitch, or this video could enhance or highlight the significance or the importance of highlighting stitch like stem stitch, chain stitch, and these stitches importance we have been ignoring, and we never take into account the importance of these stitches, or we mostly use to make branches, leaves, or some sort of mini lines in a whole massive embroidery pattern. But today I have decided or selected this embroidery stitch to give you more beneficial benefits, or to enhance or highlight its importance, because this is a stitch that is outline stitch, stem stitch, or chain stitch, whose significance and importance is being ignored by us many times, and we never gave much importance to this stitch. And most of the times we thought that this stitch is just to cover up lines and we don't need it mostly or frequently. But my today's video would give you a broader perspective and would highlight its importance, and make up your mind that how you are going to design your new upcoming embroidery pattern by the use of very simple and easy embroidery stitch, that is a stem stitch, or you could term as it as a chain stitch. So friends, with this allow me to leave, and I hope that you would act upon my advices and you would follow up my suggestions which I have given you for making these very beautiful patterns. And not only this, we have covered many domains like fashion designing, dress designing, accessory designing, and even for making different type of home decor items. You can use these very beautiful patterns like in response to your home decor items like cushion covers, pillow covers, bed sheets, table mats, and many more different types of home decor accessories could be designed by using these very simple and easy outline stitch design patterns. So with this allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Kindly watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing, stylish and trendy ideas. And one more thing before leaving, I have a simple request to you, that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my content for the very first time, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new content. And please, it's my request to my already followers, my already old subscribers, that kindly do support us like as you always have been, and help us to reach more and more milestones of YouTube subscribers, friends and family. With your support we have been able to reach these milestones, and we have grown up into a very beautiful and accountable friends and family on YouTube. And kindly play your role and part in increasing the amount of our friends and family members. With friends and family members, I mean my channel's subscribers. So thank you so much. Take care of yourselves. Be positive. Spread positivity. Be happy. Spread happiness. Only attract positive vibes. Stay away from negative vibes. Try to ease the hurdle of others so that your hurdles could be eased easily and automatically. So meet you soon with my new content in my new video. Up till then, stay blessed and keep supporting us. By the way, requesting you again, don't forget to like and subscribe.